Hello everyone, myself Ritika Mehra from class 11th Commerce and I am here to represent a topic with my group. In our group there are 5 members: Aditya Gupta, Bhavesh Punjabi, Karan Rora, Krish Batra and me. Our topic is electric vehicle. We are going to share some important knowledge about electric vehicle. आज के समय में इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल की वैल्यू बढ़ती जा रही है, चाहे वो कार हो या बाइक, सभी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल की डिमांड बढ़ती जा रही है। इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल को खरीदने के लिए गवर्नमेंट भी कई तरह की इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बना रही है। इसे बनाने का सबसे बड़ा कारण है पॉल्यूशन को देखते हुए इसलिए इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल की डिमांड बढ़ती जा रही है और आजकल पेट्रोल और डीजल का भी रेट बढ़ता जा रहा है। इसीलिए आजकल के लोग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल खरीद रहे हैं। इसलिए लेकिन बहुत लोग को ये नहीं पता कि उनको किस तरह की व्हीकल लेना चाहिए। अगर आप भी सोच रहे हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल लेना चाहिए कि नहीं, तो इस वीडियो में मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम आपको ये बताएगी कि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस। वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ ओवरव्यू, history, type of electric vehicle, why there is a pull for electric vehicle, how does electric vehicle works, advantage of electric vehicle, arguments against electric vehicle, incentives to buy electric vehicle, a future of electric vehicle. This topic we will discuss in this video. First of all, I am starting with overview and history of electric vehicle. Overview: electric vehicles are powered by electricity rather than any fuel, which means that they does not produce any carbon dioxide emissions. Second, carbon dioxide contributes to greenhouse effect. It is known as the most important long-lived plant during a climate change. Third, the greenhouse effect is when the atmosphere traps heat, which lead to increase in the space. Here, overview of electric vehicle are in and the history of electric vehicle. First electric car model was created by Enos JD in Hungary, 1828. First electrical affiliate version of wagon, preferred by upper class men due to fragrance and visual appeal. Now, my team member Aditya Gupta.
Myself Aditya Gupta from class 11th Commerce. I am here to discuss about the types of electric vehicles. Now let's see the various types of electric vehicles. There are the mainly 3 types of electric vehicle: battery electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, hybrid electric vehicle. Battery electric vehicle. Battery electric vehicles, also called BEVs, they are fully electric vehicles with rechargeable battery. They don't run in gasoline or diesel fuel. It stores electricity on board with high capacity battery packs. Their battery power is used to run the electric motor and all on-board electronics. Electric vehicle charges are classified according to the speed with which they recharge on EVs battery. Hybrid electric vehicle or PHEV. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, also known as PHEVs, can recharge the battery through both regenerative braking and plugging. It means the PHEV is a hybrid electric vehicle whose battery pack can be recharged by plugging a charging cable into an external electric power source. While standard hybrid electric vehicle, it runs at low speed about 1 to 2 miles before the gasoline engine turns on. PHEV model can go anywhere from 10 to 40 miles before their gas engines provide assistance. Hybrid electric vehicle HEV, it powered by both gasoline and electricity. The electric energy is generated by the car's own braking system to recharge the battery. HEVs start off using the electric motor, then the gasoline engines cuts in as or speed rises. The two motors are controlled by an internal computer which ensures the best economy for the driving conditions. Hence, the HEVs are powered by an internal combustion engines in combination with one or more electric motors that use energy stored in battery. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is why is there a push for electric vehicles. क्यों हम इतना बढ़ावा दे रहे, क्यों हम इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल को आगे लाना चाहते हैं, चलिए जानते हैं. The push for electric vehicles is driven by the global climate agenda established under the Paris Agreement to reduce carbon emissions in order to limit global warming. It is also projected to contribute improving the overall energy security situation as the country imports over 80% of its overall. First, currently cars and trucks 25% of the world कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एमिशन का योगदान करते हैं। सेकेंड, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं पेट्रोल की कीमत दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ती जा रही है, तो ये एक मेनली रीज़न है। थर्ड, जैसा कि आज के समाज में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के प्रभाव के बारे में अधिक जागरूकता है। फोर्थ, वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स ईयर 2030 तक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एमिशन को आधा करने का प्रयास कर रही है। दैट्स ऑल फॉर माई साइड। नाउ माई टीम मेंबर भावेश वांट्स to discuss the topics about how does the electric vehicle work.
How does electric vehicle work? Electric cars can work by replacing a combustion engine with an electric motor. It means that there is no need of combustion engine. Instead of that, there is an electric motor which helps to run the wheels. And electric cars function by plugging into a charge point and taking electricity from the grid, by which they store the electricity in rechargeable batteries that power an electric motor which turns the wheels. It means that the batteries will store the electricity and then give power to the electric motor to run the wheels. And these electric cars accelerate faster than vehicles with traditional fuel engines, so they feel lighter to drive. I hope you have understand this topic. Let's talk about the next topic, advantages of electric vehicle. No emission. It means it emits no waste products that pollute the environment or disrupt the climate. It is having zero emission. Use renewable source as fuel. It means use of electricity as fuel. Popularity. It is being liked by many people and it is very safe to drive and it is cost effective which attracts the people, and it takes low maintenance and reduces the noise pollution.
Myself Karan Rora. I am studying Commerce Circle. I am introducing about electric vehicles. Argument against electric vehicles. Electric vehicles के against कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. Electric cars are too expensive. These electric cars are too costly. The range of car is too short. Some of the proposed technology is not realistic. Electric fueling stations are still in a developmental stage. Frequently changing of battery is required. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल को हमें बार बार चेंज करना पड़ता है. इलेक्ट्रिक कार रिक्वायर्ड लॉन्ग चार्जिंग टाइम. इलेक्ट्रिक कार को लंबे समय तक चार्ज करने की जरूरत होती है. Hope you are understand now. Let's see other topic, that is incentive to buy an electrical vehicle. Less fuel cost. जैसे कि in comparison to petrol, electricity cost much less than petrol or diesel, and electricity car required less maintenance than an internal combustion engine. No time spent at the gas station. Gas money. Indian government provide subsidy of 1,50,000 for electric cars and 30,000 for electric bikes. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स के लिए 1,50,000 और इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक के लिए वो 30,000 के सब्सिडी प्रदान करती है.
Now, why don't we continue with a look on the future of electric vehicles? Electric cars would store and dispatch electrical energy stored in vehicle batteries, which altogether will send power to the grid when the need is high, and will charge at night when the need is low. It is estimated that by the year 2025 there will be more than 80 million electric cars on the roads. We can encourage the public to promote these zero emission vehicles by explaining the benefits to them, such as these vehicles are more convenient to use. They does not require gas, which saves us a lot of money. No emissions, which could protect the environment, has low maintenance, and so on. Our technologies are still working on creating a more convenient vehicle by producing lighter batteries, small and efficient fuel cells. As a result, hybrid cars or electric cars are definitely more environmentally friendly than internal combustion vehicles. Batteries are being modified to have a long life. When the electric cars will become more widespread, battery recycling will become economically possible. Researches for other energy sources such as fuel cells and renewable fuels makes the future look brighter for electrical vehicles. Thank you everyone. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here and listen to my presentation.